Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my Jensen WM, which stands for windmill. And there's a host of modifications done to this. Mainly I shoehorned a Jensen number 5 into the base of a windmill. And we'll start at the top. The tips of this fan blade have been all hand painted by me. I scribe them and paint them. We have a mechanically imprinted Jensen logo. These are based on something that they offered in the 90s, and nobody seems to have any. Of course, I thread the stem of the fan blade, and we paint the ladder red. Make a custom pulley up from behind the fan blade on the hub, and down here to this Jensen 5, which is shoehorned into the base. It's a cast iron base Jensen 5 on a cast iron base. We have 2 functioning oil cups on the stanchions. And you probably noticed that the plumbing has been moved to the center of the boiler. I make a custom brass, very heavy duty bush for the boiler that I solder in. Also make one for up front for the whistle, so I can place that there. This has a brand new 660 hot watt heater in it. Very powerful for this size boiler. And as you've probably noticed, one of the focal points is these nickel plated rivets. They are actual rivets, and I placed them in, soldered each of them into the boiler. We have a firebox, chimney stand, chimney, all been repainted, burnt copper, very high temperature paint, on a 3/4 inch stained red oak plinth. This engine's very efficient. It'll run for a long time, as long as the voltage is reduced. We have a 10-foot cord on this one, and it's a 16.3 AWG cord, grounded unit. And we have one of my custom brass tags on there, 660 watts, 5 amps, and 5 WM. Modifications by me. Like I said, it has a 660 immersion hot watt heater in it. And let's see, there's the ladder. Usually we can get a better copy of this. There we go, nice and crisp. And it's just a little bit raised. You can say it's mechanically imprinted on there. It's not a sticker, it's not a label. I can't get any more of those. My guy that was making them is very expensive machine broke down and he can't do it anymore. So I had a few of them ahead in stock, just about out of them. And this has a 2-tiered drive pulley that can run something off of it. This engine's powerful enough to do that. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.